Okay, black chana only. Okay, no problem. Come on, Madanvin.
Group of 20, group of 30, group of 40, group of 50, group of 60, group of 70, group of 80, group of 90, 100.
100 you have a? Okay, very good. Well done. Well done, Danvin. Harshni, finish.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, Harshni.
Group of 10, 20,
Show me, I can't see.
30, 40.
Ma'am, are you able to see?
Yeah. Badam. Okay, come on. I can see
Group
one three.
of 10, 20, 30.
30. You have 30. Okay, very good. Next is Dev Krish.
10, 20, 30.
30 only. All of you, no extra one. That group of 10 only has ended up. Okay, no issue. Next is Vivan.
Ma'am, I did it.
What for Vivan?
Group of 10, group of 13, group of 20, group of 30, bird 1, bird 2, bird 3, bird 4, 35.
How many is there?
35.
35.
Yeah.
Very good, Vivan. Well done, Vivan. Thank you so much, Vivan. Next, who else? Who finished? Kavyanya? No.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, tell me how much you have finished.
Counter.
10, group of 10, group of 20, group of 30, group of 40.
Very good. Group of 40. 40 you got. Very good. Well done. Next, who else? Pranita, you did the activity. Pranita, Nitila, Nitek. Nitek, are you doing the activity? Tarnika?
I'm doing.
Okay, ma. Tarnika?
Ma'am, Rohita and Chapu.
Ma'am, it's Soida.
Come on, Rohita.
Chapu.
Ma'am.
Oh.
Ma'am, this is 10. This is
Group of 20, group of 30. Ala cheppu sir.
Ma'am, this is the group of. Ma'am, this is a group of 30. This is group of.
First name cheppu 10.
10. Ma'am, this is 20, 30, 40, 50, 60.
Okay.
60. 60,
60.
yeah?
Yes.
Very good, Rohita. Okay, next is Tarnika.
Ma'am,
One
group of 10, group of 20, group of 30, group of 40, group of 50. Good morning,
Good morning,
group of 90. Good morning, friends.
Well done. Thank you, ma. Okay, next is Ritvik. Finish.
Good morning, Tanika. Good morning, Kavyani. Have a good day. Have a good day, Kavyani.
Count.
10.
Point it out and count. 20.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70,
61.
11,
61. 62.
63.
63. Very good. 63. This way only have to count. Very good, ma, Ritvik. Okay, next, who else finished, children? Who else?
Nitila, ma'am.
Nitila, come on.
Nitila, come on.
சத்தம் சொல்லு சத்தமா
10. You need not say group of also. You just say 10. 20, 30, 40.
20, 50,
Hmm.
40,
40. 40?
15,
50.
40, 50, yeah.
15,
Yes,
50,
ma'am.
50.
5,
Yes, ma'am.
5,
Very good, children. Now all of you have finished your activity. Now come on, go take your slate and come. Slate and chalk piece. Bring your slate and chalk piece. Arrange all your penna again back in a bowl and give it to your mom. Bring your slate and good morning, Ma Vidyut. Slate and chalk piece. And a cloth also for erasing, okay? Each and every, we are going to write numbers now. We are going to erase it one by one. As soon as we finish the first number, we are going to erase it and write the second number. Okay, so use a duster which is provided, or else you can use a cloth. Bring your slate, chalk piece and a cloth or duster. From tomorrow onwards, you are going to sit with everything in your hand, okay? Slate, duster, a piece of cloth, chalk piece, your worksheet book, rough notebook, English notebook, math notebook, everything you arrange it in your bag, keep it near you. Okay, you need not ask your parents to go and fetch it again and again. Okay, children, be ready with that from tomorrow. Okay? Ready all of you? Vivan, I asked you to bring slate and chalk piece, Vivan.
Ma'am, it's
Bring your
there
slate
already,
and chalk
ma'am.
piece. Yeah, Mama will arrange it, Vivan. Okay,
Ma'am,
now
today
the
Vidyut
first
will
number.
say. Ma'am, today Vidyut will say story, ma'am.
Okay, very good, Vidyut. Will do, okay? Fine.
Thanks.
Yeah, good morning, Madikshan. Naitik, did you finish, Naitik? Did you finish the activity? Still you are doing, I'm waiting for you. You didn't finish, No. Okay, shall we do the number writing activity? Afterwards, will you do that?
yes,
Okay, well done. Okay, children, first number is 56. You are going to write and you are going to show it to me. I'm going to see whether you are writing it correctly or not. 56. First number is 56. Write it little bit big, children. 56. Parents are not going to help them. Let them write. 56. Very good, Hashni. Good. Dev Krish. Rohita. Then 56. Yeah, Vivan. Good. Kavyani. Good. Janvi,
Ma'am,
write
Jan was asking me to want to write spelling or number, ma'am.
number 56. Very good, Manaitik. Darshika, good morning. Take the slate and write the number 56. Anita, what did you write? Show me. Vidyut, what did you write? Lift it up and show me, Vidyut. Tarnika, correct. I saw yours.
Tequila.
Itila, good. Danvin, good. 56. Erase it. Erase. Erase the number. Next number is 65. 65. 65.
I'm finished.
Very good, Mahashni. Devkrish, Ashni, Danvin, Tarnika. Then
Rohita ma'am.
65. Aruta. Parna is very good. Kavyani, good. Pranita, why don't you show me, Pranita, what you are writing? I can't see anything, Pranita. 65. Who is near you? Ask them to check whether you are writing it correctly or not, because I'm not able to see your screen properly. Yeah, good. 55. Well done.
Yes, ma'am. Pranita ma'am. Pranita ma'am.
Others, please mute yourself. 55. Lakshana, what you have written? Lakshana.
Ma'am.
65. That's what I said. 65. You have written 56.
Ma'am, ma'am.
65, ma. Right? 65. 65. Very good, ma, Dikshan. Now erase it, children. Next number is 72. 72. What number you hear first? 7, right? The number starts with 7. 72. Secondly, I am saying it as 2. Right, you have to do that. Yeah, very good, ma, Ashni. 72. Yeah, very good, ma, Rita. Little bit big you write, children. Very small you are writing. I am not able to see properly. Little bit big, okay? 72. Good, Kavyani. Very good, Kavyani.
Let's check.
Sanita, mute yourself. Nighty, good. Okay, erase it. Next number is going to be 27. 27. 27. 27. Hashni. Danvin, Hashni. 27. Why I am not able to see Janvi? Janvi, have you enabled your video, Janvi? Very good, ma, Farnaz. 27. Little bit big 7, Farnaz. Very good, Ritik. Devkresh, good. Very good, ma. Lakshana, good. Lakshana, ma. Lakshana, amma, avale eludutto. Okay, very good, ma. Everyone, very good. Erase it. I said erase. Don't write with the old number. Lakshana, erase. Erase everything. Next is 44. 44. 44. Very good, Tarnika, Ashini. Janavi, are you there, Janavi?
Yes, ma'am.
Show me what you have written. 44.
No, ma'am. Till now she not written, ma'am. 44. Only 17 had written, ma'am.
Why, Janavi?
44.
44. Write fast. Look at your friends, how fast they are writing. What do you think about you? Very good, everyone.
Ma'am, say Devkresh, ma'am.
Why Devkresh ulta?
Ulta.
Why ma Devkresh? How
Correct.
will you write 4?
Erase
Why
it and write it.
Devkresh
Correct.
ulta?
First
First write standing line, sleeping line, write L. And then again a standing line. Devkresh, we have come to the end of the year. Now you are writing in mirror image. What to do, Devkresh? This is not the matter of crying. You have grown up. Now you are 5 years old. Don't do like this, Devkresh. Don't cry for everything, Devkresh. You must be a strong boy. I am not telling you anything, right? I am just asking you to correct it. There is nothing to cry. Smile. Face everything with a smile. Please don't cry. Very good. That's the spirit. Well done. Why do you cry for this?
Say
Have you
sorry,
seen
ma'am.
Brenda ma'am crying?
Say
Have you seen
loudly.
Brenda ma'am crying? Have you seen me crying? Yes or no? என்ன பாத்திருக்கீங்களா அழுது? And why do you cry? Yes, I always keep smiling. Keep smiling, everyone. Okay? Don't cry for anything. Devkresh, ma'am is saying you will cry. What is it, Devkresh?
Ma'am, your voice is very low, ma'am. Please check, ma'am.
Ashni, sorry, Kavyani, show me.
Kavyani. Ma'am, your voice is very low, ma'am. Please check.
No. I don't know why, but full volume only. I'll try to speak louder.
Okay.
Okay. 44, ma Kavyani. Did you write?
She wrote and erased, ma'am.
Okay, good. Now erase it. Erase and write 66. Very good, ma Kavyani. 66. Janavi, write 66, Janavi.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yeah, very good, ma. Very good, Parnas, Ashini, Dev Krish, Tarnika, Kavyani, then Rohita, Pranita, Nitila. Why I am not able to see from Nightek? Vidyut. Where is your number 66, Vidyut? Lakshana. Vivan. Very good. Very good, ma. Ma, Nightek. This is not the way you write 6. Nightek. See what I'm going to do with you, Nightek. How will you write 6? What you have to write? You have to write like this. Line and the curve, not like this. What is that? It looks like jalebi. It's not like 6. Children, what you are writing? Children, Nightek. I don't know what to do with this boy. Okay, next number is 12. 12. 12. 12. Yeah, good, Ashni. 12. Kavyani, don't ask help from your daddy. Come on, write 12. Very good, Rohita. Janavi, show me what you have written. 12. Yeah, Vidyut, good ma. Ritvik, good. Kavyani, good. Parnas, good. Nightek, good. Janavi. Janavi, I'm not going to call you, Janavi, hereafter. You are not at all responding. I'm not going to call you. Why do you cry, Janavi? I don't know why are you crying.
Ma'am, simply she's looking at the screen and writing, ma'am.
Why, ma? Okay, this number is only for Janavi. Come on, Janavi, write number 21. You please don't write, children. Write
Number 21.
Write number 21. Janavi, bad Janavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Write 21. Is it 21? What you writing is 11. That is 11. 1, 1, 11. 21. How will you write 21? What will you write for 21? She don't know what? Chucho. Why are you going and hiding there?
I'm going to join, ma'am.
Huh?
I'm going to join in kids' school, ma'am.
Sorry? What happened to you, Janvi? Write 21. 20 means what you write. 10, 20 means what you write.
Don't make me to get.
Okay, right, children. You write 21, children, now. You all write 21. Let us see how we are writing. 21. Look at the screen, Janavi. Look at the screen. See number 21, how they have written.
I'm finished.
Good, Mahashni. 21. Good, Farnas, good. Well done.
Ma'am, no.
This is 19. 19. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Lakshana, good Lakshana. Right, number 19. Good. Danvin, good. Danvin, Dev, Krish, Parnas, Hashini, Rohita, Nitila. Nitila is writing now only. Yeah. Nightek. 19. Don't look at the screen and write Kavyani. Too bad. Looking at the screen and you are writing. Why? Why is that? It says that you are not practicing writing numbers every day. Is it?
No, ma'am. She's thinking only, ma'am.
Yeah, hereafter you're going to get homework regularly. I don't know if your parents are complaining. I don't know. After I'm going to give you homework regularly in math and English. That's going to happen. What is this, Kavyani? Don't look at the screen. You should write on your own. Okay? For checking purpose, you can look at the screen. For writing, you should not look at the screen. Screen பார்த்து எழுதக்கூடாது கவ்யானி. 19 னா உங்களுக்கு தெரியணும் என்ன நம்பர் நம்ம எழுதணும் 1919 தெரியணும். Okay? Yes? Very good. Okay, children. Thank you so much. Keep your slate aside and get ready for Kids Anthem. Today's Kids Anthem is by Ritvik. Ritvik is going to take Kids Anthem. Yeah. Join your hands and close your eyes, children. Kids Anthem. You're unique. Potential inside. You're the wind. Light. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge all my might. I will achieve you. Potential inside. Yes, good morning. Very slowly I have said. Tomorrow Rohita has turned. Be ready, okay? Tomorrow is Rohita. Okay, very good morning, children. Unmute yourself and say good morning. Very good. Good morning. Get ready for the attendance. Good morning. Darshika.
Yes, ma'am.
Devkrish.
Yes, ma'am.
Danvir.
Yes, ma'am.
Dikshan.
Yes, ma'am.
Parnas.
Yes, ma'am.
Hakini.
Here I am, ma'am.
Janavi.
Here I am, ma'am.
Kartikeyan. Kavyani.
Here I am, ma'am.
Naitik.
Here I am, ma'am.
Ruchita. Pranita. Pranita. Pranita.
Here I am.
Rohita.
చెప్తాను రోహిత.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ritvik.
Yes, ma'am.
Nikila.
Here I am.
Satvika. Siddharth. Radhika.
Yes, ma'am.
Vishan.
Vishal.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Vishan. Good morning.
good morning.
Vivan.
Morning.
Vivan.
Yes, ma'am.
Vidyut. Vidyut. Ready. Lakshana.
Here I am.
Ma'am, here I am, ma'am.
Mute yourself, ma Lakshana. Okay, next is our rhyme, children. How many of you know our solar system rhyme?
Yes, Ashwini.
Dharnika, come on, say.
Planets around the sun.
We will ask you one by one. Everyone mute yourself first. Dharnika is going to sing.
8 planets around the sun. Let me count them one by one. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are so
Are
close
the
to the sun. Jupiter is big in size. Saturn comes with rings and lines. Uranus and Neptune are so far, but just in line.
Very good. Next is Naitik.
Ma'am,
Naitik.
8 planets around the sun. Let me call them one by one. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the closest to the Sun. Jupiter is big in size. Saturn comes in length. Uranus and Neptune are so far, but less in
Just
line.
9. Very good, Manaitik. Well done. Okay, next is Nitila.
8 planets around the Sun. Let me call them one by one. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the closest to the Sun. Jupiter is big in size. Saturn comes in line. Uranus and Neptune are so far, just in line.
Very good. Vivan, will you sing?
Some 8 planets around the Sun. Let me count one by one. Venus, Earth, and Mars are the closest to the Sun. Jupiter is big and tight. Saturn comes in that line. Uranus and Neptune are the closest to
Are so far, but just in line. Okay. Okay. Then who else knows the rhyme?
Rohita ma'am.
Come on, Rohita.
Rohita. Okay, check.
Sing, Rohita.
Start it. 8 planets.
8 planets around the Sun. Let me call them one by one. Mercury, Venus, and Mars
Close.
and close to the Sun. Jupiter is big and size. Saturn comes in ring at side.
Uranus and Neptune.
Venus and Neptune closest to
Far.
Are so far,
and so far,
Just
but just in
but
line.
just inside.
Just in line. Okay. Thank you so much, Rohita. Kavyani, you know the rhyme?
Yeah, ma'am.
Come on, sing.
8 planets around the Sun. Let me call them one by one. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the closer to the Sun. Jupiter is big in size. Saturn comes with ringing line.
Uranus and
Venus and Neptune are so far, but in line.
very good, Kavyani. Well done. Dev Krish.
8 planets around the Sun. Let me count them one by one. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are they closest to the Sun. Jupiter is big in size. Saturn comes with rings in line. Uranus, Neptune are so far, but just in line.
Well done. Well done. Good boy. Okay. Next is, who else knows? Vishang knows the rhyme? Vishang knows? Farnaz knows it. Come on, Farnaz. Sing, Farnaz. Sing, Farnaz. 8 planets.
8 planets are the Sun. Neptune called one and one. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the closest to the Sun. Mercury
Jupiter is.
Jupiter is in size. Saturn comes with interline.
Uranus and Neptune
Yeah.
are so far,
Also, on
but destined
but the thing
line. Very good. Okay. Well done, children.
Ma'am, Vishant is saying
also want to say, ma'am.
Vishang, you know the rhyme? Janu is going to sing. Come on. Vishal, what do you want to say?
Let's be counted one by one. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are the closest sun. Jupiter is big in size. Saturn has
Rings in line.
rings in line.
Uranus, Neptune
And you are so big.
are so small, but just in line. Okay.
Just in line.
Very good. Vishang, what do you want to say, ma? I didn't hear what you are saying. Vishang?
No, I said Vishank will sing, ma'am, rhymes.
Vishang will sing. You know the rhyme, Vishang?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, sing. Or else you want me to teach you? 8 planets.
Hold on, son.
Let me call them one by one.
Let me call them one by one.
Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars
Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars
are the closest to the sun.
are the closest to the sun.
Jupiter is big in size.
Jupiter is big in size.
Saturn comes with rings inside.
Saturn comes
With rings in line.
with
Rings in line.
rings in line.
Uranus and
Neptune.
Neptune
Uranus and Neptune
are so far,
are
but just in line.
pedestrian line.
Very good, ma, Vishang. Okay, children, I want you to take worksheet today. Today's worksheet. Yes, ma? Vidyut?
Vidyut wants to say, ma'am.
Vidyut, you want to sing? Come on, sing, Vidyut. Sing, ma.
8 planets around the sun.
Hmm.
Let's call them one by one. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are the closest to the sun. Jupiter is big in size. Saturn comes with rings in line. Uranus and Neptune are so far, but just in line.
But just in line. Okay. Today's worksheet. Okay. Thank you so much, ma, Vidyut. Well done. Okay. Today's worksheet is 141 PH worksheet. Those who don't have this worksheet, I want you to take your English notebook, write today's date and write the heading as EN words. Those who are having the worksheet, you can carry on with the worksheet. Those who are not having it, I want you to take your English notebook and write. Write today's date. Today's date is 2/2/22-2-2121. How many 2 comes in today's date, children?
Ma'am, page number, ma'am.
141 PH. If you don't have this worksheet, you can take your English notebook, write today's date and the heading is EN words. EN, what is EN, children? EN is N. Okay, all the words N like that. Okay, so come on. Write today's date and start writing. Before that, I want anyone to read all these words.
Giant.
Very good. Hen, hen. Hen. Yes, man, I take.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Actually, he don't have, so we will write on
Yeah,
the
then you
notebook.
take your English notebook, write today's date, and the heading is EN words. And you have to copy down all these words.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Yeah.
Take your English notebook and write man, I take. Hen, hen. Ten. Pen. Men. Den. Ben. En, the sound of En is N. And continue writing it here also. You have to trace it, that's it. ENN. HEN, hen. TEN, ten. Finish.
Finish, ma'am.
Well done, ma. Those are finished. Your next worksheet is going to be 143 MT. 11 number. If you have finished, I'll change the worksheet. Nitik, finish, ma?
Finish, ma'am.
Finished. Everyone has finished?
Ma'am, just wait for a minute, ma'am. We don't have the worksheet. We'll write it.
Yeah, write it in your notebook. Those who don't have the worksheet, please copy it down in your English notebook. 6 words totally. Those who have finished this worksheet or writing work, you can move on to 143 MT. And the number name is 11.
Thank you, ma'am. We finished, ma'am.
Yeah. 11. ELEVEN. 11. ELEVEN. 11. Now only we wrote the letters ending with E and N, right? This is also the same. 11. 11. 1, 1, 11. Group of 10 and you have 1 here. So it is 11. ELEVEN. 11. Spell and write, children. ELEVEN. 11.
Finish, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, ma. Take your English notebook. Those who are finished, take your English notebook. And the heading of the exercise, what we are going to do is rearrange the words. Heading of the exercise, what we are going to do is rearrange the words. I'm going to give you a set of words. You are going to rearrange it and you are going to make a proper sentence. Okay, I'm going to jumble it and I'm going to give you, you are going to rearrange it. Okay, in a correct way. Write the heading as rearrange the words. Yes, Kavyani. What you are writing, ma?
Writing, ma'am.
Number name, ma? 11.
11,
Okay,
ma'am.
finish. Once you finish, you take your English notebook. I am waiting, okay? Vishank, will you say story today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Vishank and Vidyut, both of you, after this activity, be ready. Rearrange the words. Write today's date. Heading as rearrange the words.
Writing, ma'am.
Yeah, first one, copy the first question. Can anyone read this sentence for me?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is going to read?
I am.
Very good, Madhu. A boy, I am. A boy, I am. Is this the right sentence, children? Is this the right sentence? Come on, answer, children. Is this the way you say, a boy, I am?
No.
How will you say?
I am a boy.
Very good, ma. Devkrish. I am a boy. So first you have to write I am. So strike out the word I am. Take it down and write it here. I am a. Next you are going to strike out a. And next is finally boy. I am a boy. This is the correct sentence. A boy I am is wrong. I am a boy is the right way to say. First you strike it out and then you write it below. Only one strike, children. Don't color it or shade it. Only one strike. In future also you should follow the same. When you go to higher standard also, you should not color that word with your pencil. No scribbling on it. One strike is enough. Okay? I am a boy. Leave one line and then below that you are going to write number 2. The second question. Shall I change, my children? Have you copied it down? Vivan?
Yeah, completed, ma'am.
Completed, Kavyani?
Yeah, ma'am.
Copy down?
Yeah, ma'am.
Finished?
Complete.
Finished, Kavyani?
No, ma'am.
Then why do you say yes, mama? Copy it down fast.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Fast, ma'am. Okay.
Finish.
Okay, ma'am.
Next one, number 2. Copy down the question, children, first. Leave one line and then the next line you have to write. Don't write continuously. Number 2. Write number 2 in the margin. And after the margin, you are going to write what is GIRL?
Girl. Girl.
Very good, girl. Girl, I am. Is this right?
I am a girl. I am a girl.
Very good. I am a girl. Very good, Madhev Krish. Nitila and all. Very good. First, you will write I am. Strike it out. They can write it here. As soon as you strike it out, you have to take it and write it. I am. Next, what will come? Girl or a? I am. What will come next? A. Very good, Dev Krish. A. And finally, you have girl. 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 I am a girl. Strike out, take it out and write. Otherwise, you will confuse yourself whether you are writing that word or not. Okay, when you strike out only, you will know what is left in the end. Then you can take it out and write. If you are not striking it out, you will not know. Okay? Kavyani, why are you roaming here and there, Kavyani? Are you writing or not? I am watching you, Kavyani. I can see you are not writing. I didn't tell you to write in your workbook. I told you to write in your English notebook. Still you didn't copy anything? Children, 1 hour, please focus and learn, children. You are going to play the whole day. You are going to be very free. So please, 1 hour, I request you children to listen and write. Okay, in the session also, please don't play, don't wander here and there. Then you are going to suffer when you go to senior KG. At that time, you will have lot of work to do. What will you do at that time? I am a girl. Finish. Now the third one. Third one. Shall we write? And a small thing I want you to tell you children, that is whenever we start a sentence, we start it with a capital letter. That is the hint which I am going to give you. So whenever you have a doubt to find out what the sentence will start with, you can see which capital letter is there. Okay, a sentence always starts with a capital letter and it ends with a full stop. Okay, so whenever you are ending a sentence also, you should keep a full stop. And it always starts with a capital letter. So here, can you find any capital letter here? Can you find any capital letter here? I. Yes, very good. Obviously, yeah, very good. Mute yourself, ma. Obviously, the sentence starts with I. I. Then what will be there? I. Will it be play, to, like? Which will come second? Like. Very good, ma, Dev Krish. Like. L-I-K-E. Like. Farnaz, what will come next? I like. What comes next, Farnaz? Two. I like two. Very good, Farnaz. And the final one which is left out is play. So P-L-A-Y, play. When you are not writing along with ma'am, you will not get all these hints when you are writing alone, children. All these hints when you are attending the session properly only, you will understand and learn. If you just look at the screen and if you think that afterwards we can sit and write, All these hint your parents will not teach you. Only when you listen to the session, you will know all these things. Small hint will be given only by the teachers. So please listen to the session and then you write. Like now how I said, a sentence always starts with a capital letter. So capital letter you find out and write it first. And then the next you can assume what will come next. Okay, these are small hints which I can tell you. Finished? And what did I say? A sentence always starts with a capital letter and it ends with a very good, Devkrish. It ends with a full stop. Has ma'am kept full stop here? No. You're going to keep the full stop here like this. When you keep the full stop only, it will be a complete sentence. Or else it will be incomplete, children. It means you're going to continue writing. Okay? So don't forget to keep full stop. Full stop is this dot. When you see a red light in the traffic signal, what will you do? What will your parents do? They'll at once stop their vehicle, right? Like that. When you keep a full stop only, that sentence will end. Or else it means it is going to continue. This is the basic rule of a sentence. It starts with a capital letter and the sentence ends with a full stop. Finish? And that's it. Today only 3 sentences. Tomorrow again back we are going to write another 3 sentences. Children, those who have written it, get 2 stars from your parents. Parents, please check whether they have written it correctly. Yeah, very good, Madhanvi. Good, Tarnika, good. Children, all of your handwriting has improved a lot and I am very happy for that, really. Vidyut, are you ready, Vidyut? Vidyut, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Ready for the story? Come
Yes,
on,
ma'am.
start. Very good, ma.
Company.
Vidya.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Ma'am, Vishank is ready.
Good, ma. Nitila, good. I've seen all of your notebooks, good.
Ma'am, shall we present, ma'am?
Sorry?
No, Vishank is ready for story. Presenting.
Vishank is ready. Okay, Vishank, you can continue, Vishank. Vidyut, be ready, ma.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, is the PPT visible, ma'am?
Yes?
PPT is visible, ma'am?
No?
Full screen share.
You have to click the screen and then you have to share. Then only we can see.
Select 1 minute, ma'am. Is it visible now, ma'am?
Yeah, visible.
Start.
Good morning, everyone. I'm going to talk about.
இங்க பாரு. Ishan.
A story of two pots. Alice lived on top of the hill. She walked down the hill to fetch water from the stream every day. She had two pots tied to a pole
And carried them on her
shoulders.
Sound up.
One of the pots had a crack, but Alice still used it. She will fill the pot fully and
Walk back.
down the hill.
Up the hill.
By the time he reaches the home, the crack pot. And Dad and Moses come to wake up the lion. And lion wake up to cut the now.
Right, unmute yourself.
After a few years,
the crackpot cried to Alice and said, "I'm sorry, spill water. I'm of no use." Alice replied, "My friend, please look at the path when we go back home." The crackpot
saw a lot of flowers.
Saw a lot of flowers.
in her sight.
Sound up.
Grown only on sights. In the pot.
சொல்லு.
Alice said,
I always knew about your crack.
Made use of it
To water the flowers.
to water the
Beautiful flowers.
beautiful flowers all the way.
Moral of the story.
Moral of the story: every cloud has a silver line.
Everyone is unique.
Everyone is unique.
Be yourself.
Believe in yourself.
Well done, Vibhan. Sorry, Vishal. Well done. Very good boy. Very well said. Story was
Very good, Vishant.
Story of two pots.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Hand for Vishant.
Thank you, Vishant.
Very good. Okay. Nice story.
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Vidyut. Vidyut. Vidit, mom. Say
Ma'am,
the
I'm
story.
trying to connect, ma'am.
Yes. What happened with Vidit's mom? Vidyut. 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 Can anyone hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Why Vidyut? I'm keeping on calling him. He's not reacting. Vidyut. Vidyut. Vidyut, mom, can you hear me? Vidyut. I don't know why he's not able to hear. Okay, children, we'll see his story session tomorrow. Okay, so far, thanks for your cooperation. Bye, everyone.
Bye.